Hello, hello. Okay, so for today's project is building a vertical support positioning system for 3 different table grape varieties. I have Humiford, Canadus, and Lakemont. The Canadus I purchased from a nursery in Hillsboro off of TV Highway. Let's see what is the name of it. I know it's on the label here. Garden Frog Nursery. Garden Frog Nursery. And these two they're 4 years old. And they will be producing grapes this year. As you can see, there's some remnant of what was produced last year, so I'll have to prune these up. And then 2 other ones I purchased from Portland Nursery. I have the Himrod, 2 Himrod, and 2 Lakemont. Okay, so here we are at Home Depot, and I'm gonna walk in and make a quick trip of it. One of the reasons I like coming to this Home Depot for Quikrete is it's right outside, so all I have to do is walk in, pay for what I need, and then bring my truck around, load it up. Since it's right in front, I don't have to schlep it onto a cart and bring the cart through checkout, which is really inconvenient. So this is way more convenient, which is why I decided to make the jaunt over here. Plus, it's only about a 22-25 minute drive here to Longview. Still receive the tax breaks, being an Oregon resident, and yeah, just get that taken care of. I'll show you the price difference for the Quikrete if you purchase here 60 or 80 pound bags versus do a little Google search. My local Ace hardware store, Do It Best hardware store, and Fred Meyer, they all sold Quikrete, but it was substantially higher price. So sometimes it does make more sense to go to a big box store, and I'll support that. All right, here we go. Going in. Hello, hello. Okay, we're back at my house, and I have the final post hole that I need to change the distance from the last post hole. They say measure 3 times, cut once. Well, measure, 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 measure. Things change overnight as concrete and soil settle with a tremendous amount of rain. So going to do a little amendment of this hole and redig where the new measurement comes out to be, and go from there. Okay, here we go on to the next process. So finished up with digging the holes and measuring, remeasuring, digging, filling in, redigging, and making the hole somewhat tight, so it's at least 3 times the 4-inch diameter of the post. The next part is adding the concrete, so it's super fun. Yippee! I have my rubber gloves that I'm going to wear underneath my other work gloves here, so you don't want that concrete mix on your skin. Got the hose running and wheelbarrow, hoe, all that stuff. So got my bags of 80 pound concrete from Home Depot, and we're ready to go. now the third post is in. I don't know if the post itself was magnetic or what, but boy, I sure did not want to go in for nothing where I wanted it. So it kind of won that battle. But the other two look great as well. And the next piece of the process is running 9-gauge wire, which I have in the back of my truck. You can see it. It's right there. That's 9-gauge galvanized high tensile wire, and I'll run 3 rows of it, one at 3 foot, one at 4 foot, one at 5 foot, and travel the vines horizontally along the wire. I'll probably have to move this blueberry here, but that won't be a big deal. I'm waiting for a few more pieces to come in that I ordered. I'll drill 5/8 holes center of the post at 3, 4, and 5 foot measurements, and what I'll have on the end of them is it's a galvanized piece that will go inside the hole. It's got a mechanism inside that will pull the wire through and tighten it up, and I'll just take my fence pliers, bend it down, and I'll have tension inside there. There's like a spring inside, so it's one way. Yeah, so that's what'll happen there, and then I'll probably just drill 5/8 holes in the center and just leave the holes open and run the wire straight through. Now, I did have some extra concrete left over from the post hole. So what I did was, in the swale that I have, it's pretty overgrown, and I want to keep some of the weeds down. So I took the concrete and poured it along the inside there like a little trough, along with some rocks. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed today's garden project, and it was a lot of fun. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.